my name is Michelle.
Hi, my name's Savannah,
And today
and today we're going to be talking about fruits.
yummy, delicious fruits in Chinese. And we are making a fruit salad.
Just like an apple.
It's an orange. Okay, now let's get on with the show. Hello, ni hao, Savannah.
What are you doing?
I'm making a fruit salad.
What kind of fruits are you going to put in your fruit salad?
I need banana, qiangjiao, and other fruit. I kind of forgot what the fruit are.
Oh, is it apple? Pingguo?
Correct, right.
Alright, here you go.
It suddenly turned into orange.
Let me get another apple. Maybe it was a mistake.
Turned into another orange. Oh well, let's just keep going. Maybe I can have an orange in the salad.
Okay.
How about we add mango, manguo?
That actually sounds pretty good. What about cherry, yin tao?
Ooh, that sounds nice. Maybe let's add grapes, pu tao.
Ooh, I have some grapes. Here you go.
They also turn into orange.
Okay,
Don't throw me any more fruit. This is just going to
maybe we
become
can
orange
have
salad.
watermelon, xiguo.
Ooh, yeah, that sounds nice. Do you like coconut? Yezi.
Yes, sure. Do you like papaya? Fan mo guo.
Ooh, yes, sure. Do you want to add avocado? Li.
This avocado? No, I don't like avocados. Guo bu shi hua li.
It also turned into an orange. Now we have 3 oranges. Don't throw me any more fruit. I'm pretty sure they're just going to turn into oranges.
Okay. I will stop.
Okay, then I'm going to make the fruit salad now.
Okay, call me when you are done so I can go to your house and eat your fruit salad. Hi guys, thank you for watching.
Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to us on YouTube. Do that and I'll give you an orange.
And fruit salad, of course. And down below in the comments, we're going to give you a description how to make a fruit salad.
Okay, bye.
Bye!
Have an orange.
It didn't happen.
Oh well, it happens already, but like,
Here you go.
got it. Okay, here.
I think it went away.
Oh well, must have disappeared right through Zoom. Oh well.
Oh my gosh, the apple just landed here. I guess you threw it too high.
I somehow have to do that.
Alright, free fruit.
Hey, look! How nice. What a surprise.
Alright.